Hi guys,
welcome to Yvonne's YouTube channel. We're her work besties. We're gonna give you a tour into the house
of our vacation home for the weekend. Enjoy. We can see you, don't do that. We could see you doing.
Hi guys, welcome to our home. So starting point is my room and Tendani's room. So we're gonna start with my room. I was unpacking, so don't mind the mess a bit. This is room number 2. I don't know, the counting is gonna be a bit bad. And then I like the view this side because I mean you get to see what's happening outside. I don't know. This is my room because as I'm a content creator, we must get views. Views on views. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Like God banged with the earth. Like he knew what he was doing. Like he didn't play games. So we're gonna show you guys outside.
Your bathroom.
Here's my bathroom. I've got a shower. I've got this cabin.
So spacious.
Such a beautiful spacious shower. July, but unfortunately. And here's my toilet there. And I love the colors of the room and the bed. Like it's very
calm.
I'm alive. I'm calm. I'm centered. You know? And then let's come to Tendani's room. I love also that it's got so much cupboard space all over the place, right? And then here's Tendani's room. As in you get. So this is how their space looks like. I like the pitch and the headboard. So stunning. And then also she's got quite a beautiful bathroom as well. Here's her shower. She gets to shower here, and you know there's more than enough towels, basin, and yeah, cupboard space as well. Love that there's cupboard space. Yes. There's so much cupboard space. We're already moved in, packed in, and then there's blankets because it's winter. I love that as well.
Oh, there are gowns.
We've got some gowns here, warm gowns.
Ooh, they're even branded.
Yes, they're branded.
It's Musanda Villa.
Yeah, I love that there's so much cupboard space. Yeah. And then we're gonna go to the other side of the house. Come with me. And there's a mirror, and you get to see your favorite girlies. Come see all of this. And then here there's a toilet. It's just a toilet for everybody. You know, if we're gonna have guests. And then on the other hand,
I just want to check if
it's just the garage. Okay, it's locked, but it's the garage. That's where we parked. And then we've got our lounge, guys. This is our lounge table. This is where we're gonna sit, have chat, conversation, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. And then I also love what's happening here. There's a lot of artistic pieces here. You know, some decor. It's giving rich, young, and famous. All of those things are so beautiful, and those plants really make it look man. And then I also love the touch of the kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is how it looks like. It's white and black. Imagine in this kitchen, you're making food for when there's also so much cupboard space. We've got a washing machine. We've got a snack kettle. We've got a coffee machine. We've got your containers for your coffees and stuff, enough knives, and it's nice, man. It's very cute, and I really like this detail here, and that piece of art over there. It's really so nice. And then also, this is the stove. We've got a beautiful stove, and then we've got another kettle over there, and we've got our sink over there,
and an ice maker.
And yes, an ice maker. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then we also have a big enough fridge. Really love this. Big enough fridge. And we're here for 2 days, guys, but
it's 3 days.
3 days, yes. And then we have some beverages. We're gonna pop bottles and bottles because I mean, what do you mean? Big enough. Like one, it's big enough. And then we've got really a beautiful TV, big enough to host a movie night, PJ night. And then I love also the background art here. I love this whole design, how they placed it. And then we've got couches here. Before we go outside, we're gonna go to the main bedroom where special people sleep. So this is the main bedroom. Love it. Love the colors, the combination, the mustard and the white. And then also, I love the view here.
That's the jacuzzi there.
Yeah, so we've got a jacuzzi. We've got a jacuzzi here. Then we've got the mountains over there. Yeah, it's just so beautiful, guys. It's really stunning. It's such a stunning place. And then come and show you guys the bathroom, the main bathroom. Like I stun the bathroom. Like I love it so much. Look at this bathroom, so beautiful. It's really so lovely. There's a bathtub here, there's a shower here, and then there's 2 basins here. So
his and hers.
Yeah, it's really nice, so stunning. And then there's cupboard space. One thing about me, I love cupboard space. Like enough cupboard space for you to move in if you want. So yeah, there's enough cupboard space here. And then we're gonna go into the last bedroom. Yeah, it's quite a big space. You must budget for around 21,000 rand for the weekend. And then this is the last bedroom. It's just for one person.
Just open the curtains.
It's for one person. And then, sorry guys. One person here. This is a bathroom here. Yeah. Also a big enough shower for you to shower with baby. So yeah, and then now we're gonna go outside. I think that's my most favorite part of this house. Outside, guys. It's so stunning. So beautiful. So we've got the outside area. This is where you're gonna hang out while you're doing your braais and stuff. Have your barbecue cocktails and whatever you want to call it. We've got work laptops because I mean we're hard workers. That is a joke. I didn't have choice. Anyway, so I love the pool. I love the sun. It's giving, I don't know, it's giving Ritseni inside. So yeah, this is where we are. And then there's the barbecue area, the fire area.
It's the bonfire, the barbecue day.
The bonfire, yes, get on that. We've got a bonfire area. We've got Izintaba and Izintaba. And yeah, man, this is our home for the weekend. And I'm going to jump into the pool. Yes? No? No. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And come check out the place. You can find it on booking.com if you'd like. So, yeah. Cheers.